What is going on, YouTube land? I am Chris Catalunya. Before we get into this video, go ahead and check out my Instagram on the bottom left, Chris Catalunya with the underscore at the end. On the bottom right, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I would greatly appreciate it, and hit me up with a thumbs up if you truly enjoyed this video by the end of it. All right, let's get into this. So today marks week 2 of fall winter 2018, and my objective today is to go for those Nike SB's Gato shoes. Now, my intent in getting these El Gato shoes is for a personal cop. I played a lot of indoor soccer and outdoor soccer when I was attending university, so these are definitely fire. As I stated previously, this is a collaboration with Nike SB, and that kind of confuses me that they're releasing this under the Nike skateboarding brand when this is definitely an indoor soccer shoe. I'm not saying that skateboarding shoes don't employ the same technology of the gum sole or anything, but it's kind of weird. So today Supreme is releasing these in 4 different colors. They're releasing it in the light blue, the red and white, the white and red, and black. Now to me, I think the white and red pair looks the best out of the whole collection. Next would be the red and white, and then the rest don't matter to me. The white and red one, that's what I'm gonna go for in a size 9 because that's what I normally wear in Nikes. So I have about 10 minutes to get back to my desk. Right now I'm at the stadium. I need to get back to my office, log on and make sure that all my autofill settings are working appropriately. Alright, so there's about 10 seconds left before the drop happens. It's 9:59 Central Standard Time. Let's go. It should be popping up any second now. I have the URL popped in. And go. Go. Okay, so it's not working, so I guess we're gonna do this manually. Alright, view all. Shoes. Why is it different? Oh, I forgot the words all. Okay, white, they're still available. Size 9, add to cart, check out now. Autofill, go. Process payment. Please wait. I think I copped. And I did. I copped a size 9. Alright, so as you saw, I was able to get the white and red ones in a size 9 US. And the retail price was $110. At $10 for shipping and handling, that's $120. And since I'm in the state of Texas, I don't get charged taxes. Now, concerning sellout times, I do believe that all the shoes were sitting there for a little more than 30 seconds. So let's look at the Supreme community app to see how long they were sitting for. So the first shoe sold out in 78 seconds, and that was the red pair in a size 11 US. I'm not too sure if people were going for other items this week, like the hoodie or the giant jacket, but this might not be doing too well in terms of resale. So in terms of resale, let's look at StockX.com since they're the biggest player in the resale market right now. So the black ones look to be going for about $165, the red ones for about $165 as well, the white ones for $175, and the Armory blue or the light blue ones are going for about $180. And these are all highest bids. No specific sizing. Alright guys, I think that's pretty much it for this video. What do you think about that collaboration between Nike SB and Supreme? Which colorway is your favorite? Let me know down in the comments below. Go ahead and hit that thumbs up if you appreciated this video, and please subscribe to my channel. I would greatly appreciate it. Alright guys, I'm Chris Catalunya, and we'll check you next time. Cheers.